Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nazarora. So today I'm going to show you places that one should visit in Baku. First is the old Baku city. Old Baku is architecturally very beautiful. It has quite a lot of handicraft shops, their local stuff which you can shop, and a lot of gifting souvenirs. The next place in Old Baku city that I'm going to talk about is this open air museum and the Maiden Tower. They're right opposite to each other, very close by, so you can walk around, have fun. These are my parents doing cute pose for me, and yeah, it's a beautiful place to be. Another beautiful place here is the Srinivasa Palace. It's beautiful and monumental. Next, right opposite to the Dennis Mall, is the Baku Eye. You can see me sitting in it, and it shows the city view. Then we went to the Little Venice, which is beautiful. So it's one place that you get the feel of Venice. It's as beautiful as that, literally. The next place that I went to is the Highland Park. It has a beautiful city view. The night lighting is amazing. It is right opposite to Flame Tower and it's absolutely beautiful. You can also enjoy a nice lunch or dinner at Flame Tower itself. Then the Heather Alive Mosque is also one place that one should visit to know the culture of the city. It's absolutely monumental and gorgeous. And then the Heather Alive Center is another recommendation that I would love to give you guys. It's made beautifully, very modern and contemporary. It shows the real Baku, how it has developed over the years. They also have a museum inside which shows the life of Heather Alive and how Baku has transformed over the years. It is so well done and it's highly like there's so much technology that is used in it, which was literally amazing. Then you can also go to the Fountain Tower, which is on the Nizami Street. So Nizami Street is literally famous for shopping and so much more. It's like the hustle and bustle of the city. The nightlife is amazing. You have so many musicians that are playing. There are monkeys for pictures, which you must have seen on my Instagram. And then there are a lot of places to shop, like a lot of malls. So there is only one luxury mall which I could find, which is Port Baku. And then you can also go to the Caspian Sea or the beachside clubs that they have, which is amazing. Then in Gabala, which is somewhere around 4 to 5 hours from Baku, you can go to the Tufandang mountain resort. It is a 5 star and it's amazing. Then you are someone who likes good views, then going to Western Viewpoint would make sense for you. To climb up, you need to climb a lot of stairs. It's tiring, and if you're somebody who's not interested to walk that much, think twice. But tourists there take amazing photos, and it's a beautiful view. It has the whole Caspian City view, then the mall view, then it has the Baku Eye. You can literally see their entire sea view area. It's beautiful. I think I got some amazing pictures here, and I love this place. Also, apart from these places, there are more. Like you can go for a Shadak tour. You can also visit the Carpet Museum, which is famous for its architecture, also. And then you can visit the Miniature Book Museum as well. It's beautiful. You can visit Candican Mountains, Gobustan for the national park, and also the Gobustan mud volcanoes, which are pretty famous. And honestly, I didn't cover everything because I was short on time, but yeah, it was fun. I liked how much I covered because I did my research and I was absolutely satisfied with whatever I did. You can visit the Fire Temple, the National Library, and I think, well, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials for more such recommendations. I will see you very soon. Much love. Mwah. Bye.